you one last method to do this, and that's using the free tool GeoGebra. You're going to want to go to GeoGebra and go to Classic. And then I'm not going to show the entire amount of work because it's a little tedious and that you have to retype all the values into GeoGebra. So I'm just going to do the first 5 values just to give you an example. So I'm going to go ahead and type in stemplot, and then I'm going to type in 33, 18, 27, 24, 26, and actually I'll just keep going a few more, 21, 20, 35, 18, 20, and 17. I'll stop there. And if you notice, let's move this around. It gave me right here a stem plot. And actually, if we want to get rid of this grid, we can just go here to settings and let's find grid. There we are. Let's not show grid. Perfect. And so as you can see, just for the, what is that, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, the first 11 values are here in a stem plot. And then if you wanted to keep going, you could go here and just type in your values that follow. And I don't actually need all this graph space. Let me go ahead and move it. After that, 18, 20, 17. We have 19, 12, 30, 19, 22, 20, 17, 21, 18, 19, 20, 58, and 19. And if you'll notice, whew, there we go. You couldn't even see my numbers towards the end. So here it is. Here's the stem plot, and it identified 35 and 58 as high values. So as you can see, different technology will identify different high values, different things will come to mind depending on the technology you use. Also, no technology seems to override common sense. Common sense tells us that a 12-year-old is unusual in a college level course. I hope you have found this video helpful for creating stem plots manually and using technology, as well as understanding the benefits and limitations of each.